So let me show you how easy it is to add any of the templates that we give you. And this is why we start with templates and we don't start with blank screens, because it is actually so much easier. So what you're going to do is you're going to log into Systeme. It is really important that you are logged into the account that you want to install the template on. Then you're going to come to the course area and you're going to click on this button that says click here to add your free template. It's going to open in a new window and it's going to say that the funnel has been added to your account. Now, in some cases, you'll get a little yellow thing here that says pending. All you're going to do is you're going to give it a couple of minutes. You're going to come up here and you're going to hit enter, and that's going to make it until you get this active status. Now, if for some reason it doesn't bring you to this page, because in some cases it will drop you on the main dashboard, all you do is you come up to sites and you go to sales funnels, and that's where you will see this link. And that is all you have to do to install a template. How easy is that? No starting from scratch. Now let's get into editing it.